You spot the butterfly? Teach me how to love you, baby. How to love. Oh, wow. This is so beautiful. Oh, wow. I'm gonna go further that way too. I think this is as far into the trees as I'm gonna go. I want to see that little marshy area. But there's some people look like they're having a little private time at the next entry, so I'm just gonna go back to the paved section and keep on trucking. One of my life's dream outside of finding a stray kitten will be to have a bird that just come and land on me. And I'll be very happy on that day. Oh, it's a little memorial. So beautiful. Even though this water is about murky as ever, I love being around the water. A cardinal! Oh my gosh! Why are you hiding from me, baby? I think he just flew away. Oh my gosh. Being in North Carolina at this time, the cardinals are out and they're just so beautiful. They're so vibrant and I love seeing them just fly. The other day I saw this bird that was so beautiful, such a beautiful blue coloring, but it wasn't a blue jay. So I need to do some research to figure out what exactly it was. I've been seeing a lot of cardinals, and yeah, hopefully I get to see some more while I'm walking out here. I think I found a trail companion. Oh, they were going from flower to flower along with me for a good little minute. I guess little baby got camera shy. I really wonder how long this trail is. I really should do a better job of tracking it or something, because the last time I went out on a trail, I thought it was a circle, because most trails that I go on, in some way, oh my gosh, that is a big butterfly. Oh my gosh. But usually, oh my gosh, these butterflies are huge. I'm used to trails being circular in some way, But the last time I went on a hike, the trail was in no way circular, and it like ended up on the other side of the city, and I had to hike like I think maybe 3 miles back. But in any case, it's clearly the same concept here. Oh. So I guess I'm turning around now. Did y'all just see my little friend flutter by? Staring at you from a distance, getting all of my attention. Could this be love at first sight? Oh, baby, never felt anything like this. But you, I just could not resist. I swallowed my pride and stepped to your side. Oh,